Hey guys, I'm Zero, and today I am playing Slime Launcher. So, let's get started. Game on. Let's see the epic game. I know it's better, but I don't care. Loads. Epic game loads. Oh, you can choose a picture? This guy looks so dirty. I wanna be this guy. Woo! Let's do the little guy. Adventure. Live a life of a slime adventure and explore the wonders of the far, far range at your own pace. Let's do this. I've been wanting this game for a really long time, and I finally have it. 1,000 light years away from the Earth. Jeez. A planet known as the Far, Far Range. Beatrix Lebu begins her first days as a slime laser. Beatrix Lebu? I don't know how to say that. Let's get moving. WC to move. Okay. Oh! Oh! Hop to it. Nice. What did you just drop? How to back a slime? Oh, okay. Still getting used to the controls. Oh, pink slime. The color hue is scientifically proven to be the color of cheer. You back the slime, put him through it here? Oh! Look at him, he's so cute! Alright, now what? What do I do? What is this? You'll acquire the slime core. When slime is eat, they make floors. Oh. Good. So I put it in there and it gives money. Money, okay. I'm already starting to like this game. I want to make an army of these guys. I got carrots. Next to a backpack is Rachel's best friend. Eat. Tasty food. I'm still learning the basics for it. Oh. What's this? Hen. A hearty chicken. That covers about the basics. Hey, have a chicken. You want a chicken? Your diet is everything. I mean, you eat this? Hey. Do you eat this? He just ate the whole chicken! So, that's about the game? Alright, so, what I'm gonna do, you get in there. Here. When you guys are hungry, you can eat those carrots. I'm gonna go exploring. Dry the coral-crusted ocean floor that now basks under a golden sun. Whoa, that's some nice juicy carrots. Oh my god, there's so many slimes here. You guys all look so cute. What are these? Pogo fruit. The most common fruit on the range. And some say the most delicious. Bro, there's way more! Okay, let me get your floors first of all. Oh, let me get that back. Look at all these. Whoa! Sorry, man. Who is this? Well, this guy's huge. Do you like feed him anything? Alright, feed. I don't know what I do this for, but I'm feeding. Oh, he grew a bunch. Alright. Well, I'm gonna find some more food and give it to you, buddy. You sit tight. That's a jackpot. Blue? What the heck is that? Oh my god, Largo slime. There's just more to love. Bro, you're already big! What the? You don't have a hat! Ow! Where are you? Rock slimes. Slimes are totally not so okay. That's what you get for making a bad joke. Okay, be free. Ow! Can you stop hitting me? Oh my god! Can you at least stop? Alright, let's see if I can fill him up now. Hey buddy! Cash! Cash! Whoa, 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 whoa! He's key! Going up the seat. Slime keys, an ancient key for the ancient lock. I don't know what that is yet. No! 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 Slimes get killed by water. So these guys, if these guys go in water, they're gonna die. Bro! I almost accidentally put one in the water. I would have felt so bad. You guys are way too cute to die. Hey, what's here? Danger? Nah. Danger? Yeah. Yeah. Whoa! Is there any? Wait, what? Bear slimes. It's hard to be nice with an empty stomach. Oh, so we're supposed to feed them. Feed that. There we go. You feel nice now? You feel happy? Ow, ow, ow. Here. Jesus. Just eat. See? We chill. Right? We chill. Nice. Wait, this is a key lock? Can we use it? Use slime key. Oh, so that's what it was for. Well, that's nice. Indigo quarry. All that remains of a mining project that quickly went bust. What the? Wait, who are these guys? Is this the jelly dude? Oh yeah, it is. Boom slime. Careful, these slimes will still forget. The narrator just explodes. Oh my god, that is so cute! You guys are so happy. You'll finally hear a voice. Why are you so dizzy, dude? You are. What the heck is that? I am so scared. That's hard. Almost all those ravenous rainbows. What the? Get out! Bro! Oh my! Did he just grab it? No! Oh my god! Did he just try to eat it? No! Ow! Oh my god, there's more! Okay, buddy. It's okay. I saved you two. Are you guys okay now? You don't look that good. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh, that's why this is so scary! Oh my god! Get off! keep infecting! I can't stop all of these guys! Oh no! 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 Watch him! Yeah! Okay. You guys are reckless. Or just go! I can't stop them! Fight! Fight! Come on! Come on! What's up? Yeah. More coming? How many are there? Oh my god! Ow! So he does bite. Oh my god, I turned away for like a second and they're all here. Get down here. Get down. How many times are there? You reckless little things! Get out! We won, but at what cost? All remaining are these two. The actual survivors. I'll see you guys. What the? Holy rat slime! The radiance is so lovely it makes you sick. Let me eat your corpse, please. Oh, you are the coolest. Whee! Have fun! But a day's rest should fix you right up. Welcome back. Run off and these chores covered. Go to a mob unruly slime site. No. You wanna rock? Why do you guys have to walk across the entire map to try to get those? Hey, you little guys. And you, Rooster, stretch yourself. The king of the coop. You sound nice. I'll let you go. I think she asked for a rad for it, or I'll just get a boom and a rad, just in case. Eat something, boys. Listen, oh, you guys want to be like me, that's why you guys want to be. What are you? A stony hen. Oh yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. If you want to see me play some more, like, subscribe, and these cute guys, and I'll see you. No! 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 Okay, see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.